Hello health students. This video is just a brief tutorial on using your Unit 2 Diseases Project Requirements checklist. Directions. Follow this checklist to complete your project. You will get 5 extra points for highlighting each component as you do it. This is the exact rubric for your grade, so follow it carefully. The slides template will help you frame your project. So for now, this video is just to help you focus on looking at the checklist to understand what you need to do. Each slide is labeled. So here you see slide 1 is the title slide. It tells you how many total points of the project it is worth and the suggested due date for when to complete the slide by. As you scroll down your list, you see each detail that needs to be completed in order to get all of the points for that slide. So first we're just going to quickly scroll through the list so that you can see everything that you need to do. Down here is where you will see all of the various aspects of the grading in pieces, and your teacher will fill in each area so that you know where all your points came from or were lost. If it was turned in late, you will receive a 10% deduction. If you highlighted everything for the 5 extra points, we will mark that here. We will put the subtotal of points, meaning how many points did you get from all of the slides already. And then if there's any kind of a late doc or if you get 5 extra credit points, those will be added. And on this side over here, we will put your total grade. If you scroll back up, there are 2 resources I would like to direct your attention to. One of those is right here on slide 2. If you click it and open it, you're going to see this great article that also includes video clips. But the main thing that I want you to use is 1, 2, 3, 6, and 8. So number 1 is make a provocative statement. It gives you an example right here below the video to think about how to make a provocative statement. And I'll be showing you a little bit more of an example of that when I do the tutorial on actually making the slide. Number 2 is to incite curiosity. And there's an example. 3, shock the audience. When you're doing a diseases project, it is pretty easy to shock the audience, probably with some kind of startling statistic about your disease. Number 6, quote an influential person. That actually could work because perhaps there is something about your disease that was stated by a former Surgeon General of the United States or some other person who would matter in talking about your disease, maybe a celebrity who had it. But it's probably best if the celebrity you choose actually mentions the disease in the quote. And number 8, you can ask a question. And again, when it comes to asking a question, there's an example here of a thought-provoking question, and I will go over a good and bad example of the question when I do the actual slide tutorial. So again, that's one resource you can use there. Another resource is down here on slide 3. Click here for a website resources page. Please click that and open it to find some reputable websites that will help you begin doing your research. These are just places for general research for the whole project right here that you can use that will definitely have statistics and facts that are considered valid, not just Wikipedia. And then down here for current events, this current events section is going to relate back to the checklist for slides 9A and B. So that section that I was just showing you on the resource page, right here, current events, would be best used to make your current event slide. So we have tried to put everything that you need into this one document to make it super clear on what every slide requires. There are 2 LinkedIn resources to help you do a really good job, especially on some specific slides individually, and you will receive quick video tutorials for making the slides as well. So I hope this was helpful and helped you understand how important it is to continue to use your project requirements checklist. Keep it open while you work so that you can just make sure you have hit every checkpoint correctly.